Hello guys, welcome back. In previous lecture we have discussed all about how we can use category and perform the operations like insert, update, delete, active and deactive. In this video I'm going to teach you how you can use product page. So we need to work on product page. So the first thing, we need to create a table, and then we need to store the record inside our product table. So I'm going to teach you how you can do that. So the first thing, we need to go on MySQL database and create a table. I'm going to create a table products and assign the columns 9. Go. I think we need to, okay, product ID. This is the first one column. I'm going to use PID and category name. This is also integer. I will manage that on later. And product name and MRP and then price, QTY, quantity, and image and description. I'll leave the other column. The description will be varchar 255 characters, image also varchar 255 characters, and quantity I'm going to use integer, and price also integer. MRP also I'm gonna leave that integer and leave other integers. So the first one column will be auto increment. Where is auto increment? Here. Okay, and click to save now. So this is our table with the name of products. Inside the table have 8 columns: product ID, category name, product name, MRP, price, quantity, image, description. So let's jump on the code editor. So the first thing, I'm going to comment out and I'm going to use product page, right? This is our product page, right? This is a product page. I will use a function inside there. Now the first thing, we need to create a file. File name is a product. First I'm going to use 8 product.php. Inside this file we need to copy complete 8 category page code. Copy that and paste on there, and remove the category tab on there, and also remove this one also, and move on there. So this is our 8 product page. Inside there we need to change few things like add product, and I'll leave the functions. I comment out this time because I just want to display the, and I'm going to change pro button, right? And I will manage that on later. Now let's move on the include and .php page. Inside there we need to set up the product page. This is a link and manage category. This is the URL, and after that I'm gonna copy this one code and paste on there. And this is a 8 product page, and this is a manage product page. I will manage that on later. This is a product page, and this is FAFL list sidebar item icon. I'm gonna change the class list FA cart FA cart arrow. I will check out that it's working or not, and I'm gonna change that to manage, not manage, add. Let's go product. This one page name, I'm gonna show you this one page name, add product.php page. So save that and let's check it now. It's working or not. Yes, our icon has been appeared. I'm gonna click on that. I'm gonna click on this one, and this is our product. Add product underscore add underscore product.php page. Inside there have a category and one input text field. So let's move on that. To manage that, first we need to remove that nav.php page, add product, and this is a name category. Where is the category? I'm gonna change product, and I'm gonna copy this one, paste 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. I think 7 is done. The first one will be I'm gonna use select box on there, select and option, and I'm gonna use category, right? The next one will be what? Product name, and MRP and price and quantity and image, but we will use file, input type file, right? And last one will be description. So save that and let's check it now. Product.php page. Okay, we need to manage that. Okay, this is my problem, guys. Sorry for that. We need to use class form control, and we need to copy that, and first one we need to paste on there. This is our form group class. We need to set up that, this one, right? We will manage that on later. This time we need to just div and class form group and row, right? This is our, we need to set up that, copy that and paste on there, and manage that, copy that and paste on there, right? And paste on there, and copy this one, paste on there, right? This is a div. I think it should be work fine. Paste, and we need to close the div, right? And also right, let's refresh that. Perfect. So we need to set up the last one, right? Paste and close the div, right? This develops and books text body. Okay, perfect. Let's check out the form group label, add product, and this one. Okay, I think we need to cut out, so refer that, and we need to copy that, paste on there, and we just change that, select, and option, and category, right? So and after that, right, and we need to assign the class form control, save, and after that, right? So this is our category, and we need to also use classes, I mean attribute placeholder. The first one will be product name. I'm gonna copy that, paste on there, and this one will be MRP. This one will be price, and this one will be quantity, QTY. This one will be image. I don't need to use that, leave that, and this one will be description. Save and refer that. Perfect. So one more thing we need to do, we need to change the type text area, text, what is the name, text area, and for that, and class form control, save, and for that. So this is our description box. We need to use placeholder description, save, and refer that. So we have successfully designed the page, product page. Inside product page, we need to display the category on there, and we will store the value, also image, and store the image inside, store the value inside our database table, and we will display that on manage product.php page. So I hope you understood as well. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next lecture. Hello guys, welcome back. In previous lecture we have discussed all about how we can design this one form. In this video I'm going to teach you how you can display the category inside the drop down menu, and how you can store the value inside the database. But before moving on that, we need to know a few things. I go to my database table, product table. Inside this table I have changed few things. First one, when I included the column with the name of status, and I have assigned the type of tiny int, right? This is a 9 column, and I changed the type of the product name is a varchar, MRP is a float, and also price is a float. You need to change them. First one will be varchar, product name is a varchar, float, and also you need to make a last one column. So let's move on the code editor, and first we need to go on our function, and this is our category function, right? View category. We need to copy this one function, go to add product.php page, and we need to display the category, right? And also, just a minute, I'm going to use get and assign this one value, right? I'm going to copy that. This is our select statement. First we need to assign the name Kate ID, right? And I'm going to use select ID, category, and I'm going to use basic syntax of PHP, and I'm going to use while loop, row, MySQL I fetch associate, and pass the Kate variable. Close the PHP tag, write the again PHP tag. Just a minute. Just a minute. Inside there, you just need to copy this one option, paste on there, and inside the value, you need to use basic syntax of PHP. Use echo $row and ID. This is the category ID column name. I'm gonna show you categories page, and this is a category column name ID. We will assign the ID inside the value attribute, inside the option. Inside the select category, we will display the category data, right? I'm going to show you cat name. Save that. Let's check it now, it's working or not. As you can see, we have seen category inside the drop down menu. Now the thing is, we will get the ID with the help of name variable from this one, and we will store the category ID inside the product name. This is the integer column. I'm going to show you product name. This is the integer column name. We will store on their ID of the category name, right? You will learn step by step how you can do that. So the next thing, we need to assign the attribute on there, inc type multiple form data, because we will getting the image from there, right? I think everything is clear, but we will work on this one button to display on the left side. So I'm gonna cut that, paste on there, and remove this one code, save, refresh that. We will manage that. We'll use my means margin top and bottom 4, mx means left and right 4. This is a margin. Perfect. Let's go on the functions.php page and create a function. Save products global con if $_server request method equal to post, and set $_post. If the request method is a post, we assign the where post is a method. As you can see, we assign the method is a post, means the request method is post, and also user click on this one button, then run this one function. So I think cool. I'm gonna check that working. Just a minute, sir. And I'm gonna copy that and go to add product.php page, paste on there. So let's check it now, it's working or not. I'm gonna click on that. Oh, where is working? I can't see the working, right? So I'm gonna cut that and where I'm gonna paste on there. We just check out it's working or not, then we will work on that. As you can see, we have seen working. Refresh that, right? I'm going to click on that, working. Perfect, means our function is working fine. So first of all, we will get the value from the input text fields, and also we will get the value from there. So I'm gonna use get ID, just a minute, and I'm gonna call check function. What is name of the function? We have made the function what is the function name? The function will help us to save value. This is the function name. I'm going to search that. Where is the function? Okay, this function is available outside of this page, so I'm going to paste on there, and I'm going to use con $post and the name of the get ID, this one, paste on there, then product name, save value, con $post, and the next one input text field name, this one, copy that and paste on there. What is problem? Then we need to get the MRP, save value, con post MRP, copy that, paste, just a minute, paste. We just need to copy the few things. Price, so this one will be price and price, right? And quantity, and this one will be quantity. And what is next? Next is an image. So price, quantity, MRP. Okay, I need to cut that, paste on there. So we'll get the image. So I'm gonna use, first I'm gonna check that image, $file, image temp name, right? So what is name of the image, right? So I'm gonna check that, use wire dump image. First we need to check that what we will get from there. Temp name, just a minute, image, okay guys, so we have seen this is the array, this is the name of the image, string 0, this is the type of the, okay, this is a temp name. So I'm gonna use tmp, temp name means temporary name. I'm gonna use, so I just use wire dump and image, save and refresh that. What is image, let's go file, temp name, leave this one and after that, right? So we have seen few things on there. The first one will be image name. This is a attribute, or you can say that array type, name, then type of the image, then temporary name, then air, then size of the image. You can use any one method as you want. In my case, I will use name of the image. I will get the name of the image, and also I will work on the type of the image, and also we need to get the image temporary name, and finally we will work on the size of the image, means the greater than of 5 MB, 10 MB, or any one MBs as you want to store the image inside the database. So the first thing, we need to get the image name, then the type of the image, temporary name, and size of the image, right? So I'm gonna open my code editor. So I'm gonna use img. This is on no, I just need to use name of the attribute. I'm gonna show you this one, right? This is the attribute, we need to use that. Then the next one will be type. So I'm gonna use type. Let's go files. This is the same name of the our image files, and you just need to change the second one value. Third one will be temporary name. So I'm gonna copy that and paste on there, and also paste on there. And last one will be size of the image. I will use those things, paste and also paste there. Once you're getting the image data from the file, I mean input text field, or you can say that file, then we will use few condition. I'm going to show you. Before using any of condition, I'm going to show you few things. First, I'm going to echo image. I'm going to show you the thing is just a minute. I'm going to copy the images from the Google, but I have images. Those are images. I'm going to copy that my URL and paste on there, and those images available on my page, e-commerce template page. If I'm gonna select the second one image and open it and click to submit, we will get the image name number 2, right? I'm gonna open again this one, we get the 12 image name, but we will manage this one extension .jpg. The first thing, we need to remove that, because we will check out the extensions, which extension are allowing or not allowing. So I'm going to use image extension. I'm going to call explode function that will help you to remove the sign. Which sign? Dot, right? I'm going to use single quotation dot and comma where you want to remove the dot. I'm going to use image variable, and I'm going to call again image, upload that again, 11 image. Just a minute. Okay, we need to call, I think, this one, because we have removed 179. Explode function. Okay, I will manage that on later. Okay guys, so we will manage that on later. This time I just remove the dot sign from the image extension. Now the next thing we need to call, just a minute, image correct extension. This is variable, and I'm going to call str lower strln. Just a minute. We will getting the image name in lower class, right? Str to lower and image extension, right? So we will get this one value in lowercase and assign the value inside our image variable, right? Now the next thing is which images type you want to allow. So I'm going to create allow, and I'm going to create an array and assign the type of the images JPEG, PNG and JPEG, right? Those images type will be allowing to store the image inside the database. Now the next thing will be our path. So I'm going to create a image. This is our image directory, or you can say that the folder. So I'm going to use path. This is our image path. We will store the images database and also inside our directory. So first I'm going to call double quotation my directory name and dot image variable, right? This one variable, we will store the image on this one directory. Now let's work on the conditions. If in array image extension and allowing images. If an array have a image extension like no, I need to call this one image correct extension. That will help us to getting the lowercase text. And allowing images have a array. Inside the array have a type of the images. Those emojis are allowing, otherwise we will display the error message, right? I'm gonna use else, and I'm gonna go to above where is the error message? This one. Copy that and go to below and paste on there. You can't store those this far, right? Inside there we will check also the what size. If size variable less than 5000 means 5000 means 5 MB, then come into the if body. Less than 5 MB image will be accepted, right? So for that we need to include the 50,000 means 5 MB. Now the final step, we will store the value inside our database. So this is a query, insert into products. I think we need to check that products, right? Which value? We will assign the value category name and product name, then MRP, QTY, price, and no, first one will be price, then QTY, and an image, and description. We need to also get the description also, DC. So we need to go on our database and we need to assign the name DEC. Copy that and go to functions.php and paste on there, right? Description and status, right? Values, okay. So for that we need to remove the double commas on there. We will use commas on the values page. We just assign the commas on there, Values will be product, category name will be kit ID, right? Kit ID, and product name, and MRP, and price, and we will check out the price QTY, but we need to use QTY, and image, so I'm gonna call image variable, and description, and status will be, the default status will be active, right? Means 1, so I don't need to use that. Then call result variable, call MySQL query con and query variable. If result variable is active, then what? We will display the success message, and also product, and also we will move on the file inside our image directory. So first one will be temporary name, like this one. Now the next one will be path, right? I think everything is working, but we will, let's check it now. This time we just check out it's working or not. So category will be LEDs, product is what? Microphone. I just use MRP 9000, price something, quantity 50, price, image I just upload this one, it's just something to submit, description, undefined index, DEC, name, description. Okay, we have seen 2 time names on there. Just a minute. LEDs, I just use headphones, 100, 550, image, this one, something. I can't see anything else, but we will check the data is stored or not. No, we can't see anything else inside our, so we will check out what is problem now. Okay, we need to go on manage.product page, and we will save product and display error message. We will check out what is problem now. I'm gonna just leave something, and plot something. I think something is wrong. In array queries, I just use else statement, insert into product category name. We just need to check out that. Where is the problem? Insert, yes, perfect. Okay, I think we need to use commas on there. So okay, we need to also copy that and paste on there. This is another problem. So let's check it now. This time I just use few things, submit, Yes, we have successfully stored the value inside the database. Product ID, kit name, you just change the kit name on there, and product name, MRP, price, quantity, image. So I think we need to check out the image save or not. Yes, we have successfully saved the image inside the image folder. So I think it should be good. Now let's check it now. Another file, we will upload another file, document, this one, something. As you can see, we can't store the image on there, but we have seen the problem to display the message, right? And this is I'm gonna cut that and paste on there, and what we will go to below and set this one message on there. I'll leave this one because this is a query failed message. So I think it should be display. Oh, I can't see the message. I don't know why, but we will work on that on later. So I hope you are understood as well how you can store the record inside the database. So thank you very much for watching. See you in the next. Hello guys, welcome back. In previous lecture we have discussed all about how we can store the product values inside the database. In this video I'm going to teach you how you can display the data on the main manage product.php page. But before moving on that, we need to fix few things. The first thing is we need to display this one error message or success message on the page. Basically this is an old template, so we can't display the perfect message on the perfect place, so we just display the message. So I have tried many times to display the message on the front of the page, but I can't see. So I just use simple code. This one will help us to display the message on the screen. So I'm gonna cut that, and after this one div closing div tag, you just need to refresh that, and I just upload this one. As you can see, you can't store the file, this file, right? This is another file, another type file. Now let's work on another things. The first thing, we need to assign the simple attribute required that will help you to stop the saving empty values, right? Description also, right? Now the next thing, we need to check this one, category, means user can't store the select value, means user can't store the select category value. User must be select the category, otherwise we will able to see a message. So I'm gonna cut that, and I'm gonna if cat id equal to 0, means category value is 0, then display the error message, otherwise store the value. Inside there we just we need to remove that, copy that and paste on, and just display the message, please select category. So for that, refresh again. I'll leave that and use few things, and I'm gonna upload the perfect image. Please select category, it is very important, right? Now let's work on the manage product.php page. But this is a manage category.php page, but we will copy the complete code. I'm going to show you just a minute. I'll leave this one and I'm going to create a file, manage product.php page. Inside there we just need to copy manage category.php page code and paste on there, and we need to also go on include folder nav.php page, and we need to change the URL manage product.php page, right? We need to remove this one and manage category.php page. So I think it should be work. Yes, this is a manage product.php page. Now in this page we will display the product ID, category name, product name, MRP, price, quantity, image, description, and also status. But before using this one, I'm going to show you the query. The query is a select, I zoom out, static from product, first of all we need to get the product, not product PID. First of all we need to get the, I'm going to show you first of all we need to get the product ID from the product table. I'm going to show you this one ID, right? Then I need to use comma, then I call product. This is my table name, products dot, and now we need to get the category. We need to call categories table name dot cat name, right? Those are column, we will select them, then we will display those column value inside our page. So select static from products, product PID, category name. We will arrange this sequence, right? Then I'm going to use comma, products, this is my table name, this is also table name products, and dot product name, comma, products dot MRP, comma, products dot what is next, price, and products dot image, comma, products dot description, comma, products dot status. Where no I need to use on products inner join category, categories, this is a table name. I need to check that. I need to use where keyword, where products inner join categories on products dot PID. No, I need to select product dot category name equal to category dot ID. Let's check it now, it's working or not. This is basically inner join. I think something is wrong. Enter the syntax, check manually. Select static from products, product PID, categories name, products name, MRP, product price, product image, yes, description. I need to remove that, I think. No. Inner join categories on products category name equal to ID. I think we need to remove this one also. We need to check out. No, guys, we need to check that. I think we need to remove that. Also remove this one, and I need to use from keyword on there. I think it should be display. Copy. Yes, as you can see, guys, this is our inner query. I have checked that on the Google. I have made a simple mistake. The select asterisk from product, but I don't need to use select asterisk from. I just need to use select products PID, this one column, category name. Category name will be coming from categories table. So I'm going to show you categories column, this one, right? So this query will help us to display the complete data on the page. So I'm going to copy that and go to manage product.php page. Inside there have a view category.php page, but we will go to functions.php page and save this view products, right? And I'm gonna use function view products, global con query is this one, right? And result MySQL query con and query variable. We need to call return keyword. What is problem now? Okay, we need to just double quotation. Perfect. So, and we need to copy this one function, go to manage product.php page, and we just paste on there, and we will getting the value from the paste. First one will be what is name of the column? Open products page, PID, cat name, product name, right? MRP and price and quantity and image, but I'll leave this one time image because I will manage that on later. Description and also status, right? Save and refresh the page. Undefined index QTY. Okay, value QTY, price, fine, line number 44, Y I seen QTY, select products, product category, MRP, price, image. Okay, the problem is we need to include the price name, products, MRP, product price. We need to include also on their products.qty. right, this is a very important. I think it should be displayed. Yes. Now the next one will be ID, line number 66. What is ID? 66. This one. Okay, this is a basically, I think I need to leave this one time because I will work on that on later. I will tell you step by step. Right, so category ID, category name, and this is the product's name. So I think we need to manage that. Category name, product ID, category name, product name, and MRP, and price, QTY, description, and also status. Alright guys, so we have successfully stored the values on the products.php page and display the data on there, but we need to set up that manage category to manage products. Alright, save and for that. Right, now the next thing, we need to display the image, right? So I think we need to, where I want to display the image, product name, product image, I just use image, and I just want to display the image on there. I need to use image src, and we need to call image folder, backslash sign, and this one image. I think it should be display. Okay, image src, img, and okay, I think it should be display. No, image src. Okay guys, I just use simple way. Image src, this is my folder name, this is the image. Right, this is our static image, right? But we will display the dynamically image, so I just use basic syntax of PHP on there, use echo row and name of this. Perfect. But we will manage that with 50 pixel and height also 50 pixel. Save and refer that. Right, so we have seen this one image, and I'm gonna also send the class image circle. So right, so we have successfully worked on that, but we will work on also operation.php page. So I think we need to work on that on later. This time I just leave that. So thank you very much for watching. See you in the next lecture. Hello guys, welcome back. In previous lecture we had discussed all about how we can display the data on the HTML table. In this video I'm going to teach you how you can perform the another operations like active, deactive, delete, and also edit. So I go to manage category.php page, and I'm gonna copy this one code, right? Deactive, copy this one code and paste on there. Save that and refresh that. Right, ID undefined 74. Manage, I'm gonna use product, right? And this is a PID. We just need to change that, right? And we will work on that on later. Edit product and del product.php page, and we just copy this one PID on there and there, and we need to go on functions.php page, and we need to check the status active or deactive. This is a code. We just copy that and status active and deactive, but we need to check that. Perfect. Okay, we need to use this one code again, and active status product, because this is another function, and we just change that to products, right? And where save ID perfect, everything is perfect. We just use copy and manage product.php page and paste on there, right? I think it should be work. So okay, once I click on that, I redirected with where is manage perfect. Okay, go to this one page. Okay, I just change that to display the products. Save, and for that go to manage products. Okay, refer that active, same. Manage products.php, manage. Okay, the problem is page name is product, and everything is perfect, I think. Let's move on that again. Why I have redirected with manage product.php opr deactive. Manage product.php underscore product. It's perfect, but why I seen the problem now. I click deactive. This is status active. I think this is a cache problem. On there everything is perfect, but why I seen this one problem? Products, I check out the code. Okay, here is another function, so I think this function will be work on this time. Yes, but I can't see the status is a deactive. Why? Because I need to check that status is active, go deactive. PR manage products.php. Update product, set status equal to status where PID, right? This is my database column name. As you can see, I think it should be worked. Yes, it's working fine. I just click active, it's working. Now the next thing we need to work on the delete page. So we just create a page del product and copy this one complete code and paste on there, and we just delete from products where PID underscore this one and redirect with manage products.php page, product.php page. So I think it should be work. So let's move on there and click to delete. Yes, successfully, we have successfully done the work on there. So I hope you understood as well. In the next video we will discuss all about how we can edit the records. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next lecture.